We're in northeastern Netherlands to bring you round 9 of the MotoGP.
Grit, speed and tenacity. Moto2 rider Tony Arbolino has them all. Having won here in Assen in 2019, Tony is a surefire contender this weekend.
He loves Assen, absolutely loves Assen.
The Italian is undeniably one to watch as he moves up the racing classes.
Wow, that's massive!
I think I push my body in a high level every time more. I want also every session more to go home and go sleep thinking that I do a really good train during the day. This is my mentality and I think this is what brings me here in this level. Train that I do this morning is pretty good, I think, from a rider. Physically, mentally, when you are tired, you need to keep pushing and focus on your style of riding to improve also the style of riding and have somebody by your side that is saying to you that you need to be more relaxed or to push more your body in some positions. So this is what we do in motorbike training. All the year I'm here to train and to be focused on my goals. This is the most important thing I think from a rider. I chose to live in Switzerland just for to be more focused on my goals. Oggi non stop, Prima della pausa estiva bisogna sempre uscire bene. Se non fai un bel lavoro sai cos'è dopo. Durante la pausa mi inizia a pensare, non te la godi, capito? Sì. Also my trainer is living here, so I think it's the best way to prepare a race and a world championship. Ivan helps me because I live almost with him, so he follows me during the races, and when I think about something different, he just say no, you need to be focused on this. I think I made the right choice. From this race weekend I want to be competitive, like always, grow up every session and try to be in top 5. This is my goal and this is my objective. I think it's possible, so I will work for this and I will train for this objective. Secondo me in questa pista serve una base diversa. Adesso valutiamo. I started riding when I was 4 years old. I remember that I was really small child. Helped me, my dad helped me so much because he was there from day 0, from day 1. He just grew up with me. He brings me to the circuit that was not so close from my city because I born in Milan, in a small part of Milan, so it was difficult there because there was no circuit to ride. Everybody was in Emilia-Romagna. I spent a lot of hours during the day, during the year. I spend a lot of days to be focused on my goals.
You do the lap time somewhere else. It's clear that Assen is special. Anyway, you have to be quite strong if you want to overtake someone. You have to prepare this one if you are directly fighting with someone.
When you do this, you need to make this fast direction. You need to be fast and follow your line. Not there, not like there, because you lose time. I really spend many hours to train. And the desire was so much. I was really focused on say, these guys just coming out from the school. I just start 6 a.m. on the morning. I remember I said many times I need to be faster than them. Particularly is important for me because in 2019 I won the circuit, so it's pretty incredible. I love all the corners, I love all the ways how to drive, because you enter in a flow that you really enjoy, right? And this is really crazy. So I hope I have this good feeling also in Moto2 class, and let's see now. Will be such a really good weekend, I think. But I'm sure we can do a really good job. I'm quite sure. I think it's pretty difficult to have a relationship inside the paddock, because you are fighting for the same goal. All the riders, everybody is just pushing to beat you, so it's difficult to have a relationship. But I think just Fabio, and out of the track, inside the track and everything, I mean inside of the paddock, we have a really good relationship.
You know what I mean?
I'm 100% agree with you.
Because for me, the first year of MotoGP was the same. The fuck, the bike is so aggressive here. But because in the fast corner, like 6, 7, 8, you go 10k slower than usual, but then you open like animal.
You recognize I can open,
Yeah.
and it's too much.
Then the bike is moving so much.
Especially Assen, this is especially Assen.
Last time I've been here, I was winning, and I was on the podium right there. So this means too much to me. I need to catch the best result possible. I'm focused on to make a change, because the last race in Germany was not quite well. I think this is the track where I need to be focused on one of the best results during the year. This is my goal, this is what my goal is, and this is what I will try to catch during this weekend. If we work from FP1 to the race in a really good way, we can achieve something really good, because I think we have the potential, I have the skills, I train for that, so I need to do it. When I get up in the morning, I try to be focused on what is my goal in this weekend, what is my goal in this race, and what is my potential.
Tony es un ragazzo, es un niño que es divertido, ¿no? Pero cuando llega el momento, por ejemplo, de entrenar o de carreras, él llega el momento que cambia el chip. Él sabe el momento de la broma, él sabe el momento del trabajo.
I think this helped me, because in the past I never had this opportunity to sleep inside the track. I said that it's really important to sleep inside and to have a point where you can relax and to chill a little bit. I love when I have pressure on me. I love when I'm fighting for the World Championship, and I love when somebody tell you need to do like this, because this race weekend will be important. I think it's important from a rider, because you have a really many situations like this with pressure. I think I'm good to be in front of this situation of pressure.
One of the more spectacular points on the calendar.
Este año la Moto2 sabíamos que íbamos a tener que trabajar mucho, no es una categoría fácil. Es normal, esta categoría es la que te dice si das el paso a nivel top o te quedas aquí o igual vas para atrás.
My crew chief, my electronic guy, my mechanics, my trainer Ivan, these people are really important for me to create a small group of people that just believe in me and believe in my work and believe in our goal.
40 seconds left on the clock then of this rather sedate Moto2 wet session.
I love the circuit, I love the corners, I love the way the corners are. The style of riding is different here, is more smooth feeling, so you need to be really clear, and this is what I want most. It's the last race before the summer break, so you need to finish in a good way, in a good mood, with your team also, with the people who are working for you. Also from a rider, you need to feel good when you finish the first part of the championship. And this is what my goal is from this race: finish and be happy. Be happy with my team and with the work I have done. I prepared the bike in these days at home and also here these days that I'm here to have a best bike possible for me. For the moment it's not so easy, but I will work for have the best version of myself in this Moto2 bike. Just close the helmet, how to say, and full gas.
Welcome back to the TT Circuit Assen. One more free practice 3 session. .30 minutes left on the clock. A little lull in the personal best lap times coming in for many riders. Arbolino. What a performance from the rookies here.
Yeah, absolutely. Good session for him.
I need to say that my goal for this weekend is a top 5 will be such a good result, but I think I can do it if we work in a right way.
Ho fatto come le tutte ho scalato prima, cioè ho fatto perfetto. Non ho fatto perfetto. Nel momento che lo lascio lo stesso lì non mi piace. Perché adesso, ad esempio qua mi potrei aiutare col freno davanti, ma anche se schiaccio il freno davanti continuo ad andare. Questo punto qua, quando arrivo entro non c'ho questo. Capito? Non lo faccio, rimango lì e giro giù e apro tardi. Lì potrei usare di più l'uscita.
He loves Assen, absolutely loves Assen.
I know that maybe when you have not a good result, you not feel really good, you don't enjoy a lot, and this is what it is. I just try to enjoy the maximum and try to feel the passion.
Assen is an iconic circuit, the oldest on our calendar and a true classic for riders. We're in northeastern Netherlands to bring you round 9 of the MotoGP World Championship for 2021. 23-degree air temperature. Who will take a boost into the summer break here at the Dutch TT?
Nuestro objetivo es estar entre los 8 primeros en esta carrera. Si estamos entre los 5, mejor. Lo importante es que esté motivado, lo importante es que haga este pequeño step, que esté ahí delante.
on the grid. But Vietti, yeah, one of his better rides of the season, second best qualifying after the opening Grand Prix in Qatar, alongside another Italian rookie who's found life a little bit up and down so far in Moto2. Tony Arbolino there, he will start from 9th place. And Moto2 here in Assen is underway. Oh, there was contact there. It looked like it was very, very close between the pair into the first corner now. Scary, scary. Turn forward, Arbolino, another Italian is out.
Huge.
Wow, that's massive. That's going through turn 7, isn't it? And Arbolino, that was a monumental crash for him, barrel rolling through the gravel trap and his motorcycle at turn 7.
Not the best race for us. Unfortunately, I risked too much in the turn 6 and I lose the front. I save it, and after I go almost into the wall, so I just need to release the bike and just crash. I was 5th, so this is the good point. Start from 3rd row, so also was a good point. And I think still now we are not so far from the top riders. Now we just have some days to rest and to think about the second half of the season. We just need to believe in it, and I'm sure that in Austria will be better. I really want to make a good result.